Bills paid, but still broke? Sounds like the makings of a major financial problem. But there's still time to get ahead of it and get your finances in order. Working out a personalized financial plan can put you on the path to stability. By developing and maintaining responsible financial practices, you could be well on your way to building a solid foundation for wealth creation. Wealth creation is a learned skill, and what better place to facilitate financial knowledge than the classroom? This is true not just for our students, but also for our teachers.
The face value is about the number itself.
We're committed to the continued improvement of the education sector and look forward to the completion of the very massive task the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service has taken on regarding compensation review.
While that is in motion, the Ministry of Education and Youth has moved forward to supporting our education builders by giving them the tools to build wealth. The ministry has teamed up with stakeholders such as Profit Jumpstarter, a boutique organization that offers investing education. The partnership is offering the teachers online courses in money management to enable them to achieve their own goals while generating financial stability.
Teaching persons around investing.
CEO of Profit Jumpstarter and investment educator Keisha Bailey says planning to invest should be a part of plans for creating wealth.
I believe that investing is a long-term strategy and that it is possible to work to create the millionaire lifestyle or the billionaire lifestyle for anyone. You just need to understand some simple concepts around investing to make the moves for yourself in your own financial life.
Putting even $100 or $1,000 each month to your investing portfolio will put you in a better place financially.
In terms of thinking that I'm not making enough, we have to expand our mindset into abundance, because you have enough for right now, and we're going to take what you have right now, that money you have now, and turn it into the money you want.
And so, one of the first steps in wealth creation is to know your money so you can grow your money.
So budgeting is extremely important. Put pen to paper, write down all the money coming in, write down all the money coming out. For every dollar that comes into your pocket or your bank account, 50% should be spent on your needs, 30% should be spent on wants, which are, the niceness of life, and then 20% should be put towards saving and investing.
Next, create an emergency fund.
So I teach persons to have around 3 to 6 months of their expenses tucked away in an emergency fund account so that you have that money available to you when you need it. When you understand exactly the type of investment you should have for you and how to regularly contribute to your investment account, you're going to see that you build wealth really, really fast, because investments are how you build wealth. Again, it's a regular and consistent contribution that are going to push you to build wealth faster. Start investing. I cannot stress that enough, the importance and how critical it is to be an investor.
Educators, the time is now. Whatever age or stage, investing is critical to your financial welfare.